When I started Laundry Larry, one of my main objectives was to be of service to the people in the community. And so at some point, I realized that I don't have to wait for my business to be successful and to be grown. I can be of service right now. So I started the Laundry Love program. Laundry Love is dedicated to provide clean clothes and other essential healthcare items for members of the community in need. I go to local shelters and pick up clothing once a week for anyone who needs to have their clothing washed. And I also provide care packages to those who can't get into the shelters and who need help immediately. Care packages right now include pillows, vitamin C, face wipes, razors, and people seem to really appreciate the pillows. That was really a blessing to be able to see how much people appreciated that. I just know if I became a better content creator, an overall better business person, I'd be able to help the community even further. If I grow, I could help the community grow.